All right, get us a little cold start here with the 2020 STI and the rotated turbo. I think we're about 75% ethanol right now, but it's pretty nice out there. It's like 65, so should start up pretty easy. Looks like we're actually about 76%, which is good. I'm gonna open my door. You can really hear it in the garage here. It's pretty loud. Gonna take it out tomorrow up on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Supposed to be nice weather again before it starts raining. Next week's gonna rain all week, it looks like. So they finally opened up the parkway. The weather's been warm, so I'm gonna pull it over here, give it a good wash, and kind of check everything out, check the oil, all that. I think I've got a little bit of an exhaust leak between the equal length header from ETS and the passenger side cylinder head. The up pipe did have a leak when I had the FP green turbo on here before I did the rotated kit, and it got exhaust soot on that cylinder head, so it's kind of hard to see over there if it's still leaking or not. The up pipe's definitely not, because there's no exhaust residue around that, but there's still exhaust residue on the bottom of the cylinder head there where the header mounts up. So it's kind of hard to see. I tried to clean it off as best I could with just some brake clean, but with the header and the oil filter and the up pipe and everything else that's mounted down there, I couldn't get a brush in there or anything to kind of scrub on it. So I've got new gaskets for it. I figure even if it's not leaking, it never hurts to throw some new gaskets in. So I might do that this weekend too. If not, I'll do them next weekend. I got the real thick 12 ply Grim Speed ones. We're gonna give those a try, and I'm hitting my boost target. Everything looks good. It sounds really good when I'm in the garage. I don't hear anything, but for some reason when I'm out driving and the car's totally warmed up, which is kind of counterintuitive for an exhaust leak that's intermittent, usually it's when it's cold you'll hear it more. But and maybe it's not an exhaust leak, maybe it's just this setup. I kind of get this hollow ticky noise every once in a while that really, especially when I'm driving past something like a barrier and I get an echo, or parked cars, I can hear it, and to me it sounds like an exhaust leak. Like I said, I went through, I checked all the bolts, everything looks really good. It's hard to identify whether or not there's an exhaust leak on that passenger side cylinder head, just because there was previously at the up pipe junction. So just going to throw new gaskets in it and see if that sound goes away. If not, it just is what it is, and it's part of the exhaust system that's on this car. So anyways, hope everybody's having a good weekend, taking their toys out and having a blast.